second part of this second question is, for which value of k will the following pair of linear equation have no solution? So student, now we have to apply the condition of no solution, and the equations are 3x plus y equal 1, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y equal 2k plus 1. As you can see here, this equation is not in the standard form, so first we will convert it into standard form. 3x plus y minus 1 equals 0. Second equation, 2k minus 1 into x plus k minus 1 into y minus 2k plus 1 equal 0. For no solution, what is the condition? A1 upon A2 equal B1 upon B2 not equal C1 upon C2. Now we will substitute the values of A1. Here the value of A1 is 3 and the value of A2 is 2k minus 1. Value of B1 is 1 and the value of B2 is k minus 1. Not equal, the value of C1 is minus 1 and minus 2k plus 1. This minus sign cancel with this minus sign. If we compare this part, 3 upon 2k minus 1 equal 1 upon k minus 1. By cross multiplication, what we will get? 3k minus 3 equal 2k minus 1. 3k minus 2k equal minus 1 plus 3. 3k minus 2k, k. So here the value of k is 2. If you compare second part and last part also, let's see what we will get. 1 upon k minus 1 equal 1 upon 2k plus 1. By cross multiplication, 2k plus 1 equal k minus 1. 2k minus k equal minus 1 and k equal, which sign you have to use here? Not equal. K not equal minus 2. So student, at the time of sign, be careful. The question was, the given equation has no solution, and using no solution condition you have to find the value of k. First we will apply the condition of no solution, then we will substitute the values of a1, a2, b1, b2 and c1, c2, and when we compare first part with this second part, we will get k equal to, and when we'll compare the second part with this third part, we will get k not equal to. This is very important question, student. Thank you.